Brown Butter White Chocolate Blondie is like the cookie but better. Topped with homemade rum ice cream and espresso hot fudge sauce makes this dessert perfect for a special occasion. To assemble a hot fudge blondie, place a small scoop of whipped cream into the center of a large serving bowl and place the blondie on top of it. The blondie has a nice crunchy cookie-like crust and a gooey fudge texture. Sprinkle a little cocoa powder sugar over top if you like, and add a scoop of rum ice cream. Drizzle with espresso hot fudge sauce and serve the brownie warm. The rum ice cream and hot espresso fudge melt together into the brownie to add to this intensely exotic flavored dessert. To make rum ice cream, scale 30 grams of brown sugar, 30 grams of rum, and 2 Medjool dates that are pitted and chopped. Leave the rum, date, and sugar mixture on the counter to allow the alcohol in the rum to soften the dates and begin to evaporate the alcohol. To remove the remaining alcohol, add the mixture to a saucepan and bring to a quick boil for a few seconds. Alcohol needs a very low temperature to freeze, so if you do not allow the alcohol to evaporate before putting it into your ice cream machine, the ice cream will take longer to freeze and create larger ice crystals. Add 200 grams high-fat cream, 200 grams whole milk, and bring the mixture to a simmer. Scale 4 egg yolks into a mixing bowl and place the bowl on top of a towel to help hold the bowl as you slowly add the hot cream mixture. This is called tempering the eggs, and if you add the cream mixture too quickly, you might scramble them. Transfer the custard to a freezer bag and cook the custard in a water bath set at 85 degrees Celsius or 185 degrees Fahrenheit for 1 hour. Transfer the mixture to an ice bath to cool completely. If you have any time, allow the custard to mature in the refrigerator overnight to allow the flavors to develop together. Freeze down the bowl of an ice cream maker and strain the custard. Turn the rum ice cream until soft serve consistency and store in the freezer until ready to serve. To make brown butter white chocolate macadamia blondies, chop up 30 grams of macadamia nuts and add them to a frying pan. Add 30 grams of butter and saute until golden brown and very fragrant. Add 5 milliliters of vanilla extract and transfer to a small mixing bowl. Mix in 1 whole egg, 50 grams of cane sugar, 60 grams of organic stone ground whole wheat flour, 5 grams of baking powder, and 60 grams of white chocolate chopped up into chunks. Butter and flour your baking pan and add the blondie batter. Bake in a preheated 350 degree or 177 degrees Celsius oven for 20 minutes. To make espresso hot fudge sauce, add 30 grams of butter and 50 grams of cane sugar to a small saucepan. Add 10 grams of cocoa powder, a double shot or 60 milliliters of espresso coffee, 50 grams of high-fat cream, and bring to a boil, whisking constantly. Lower the heat to low and simmer for a few minutes to reduce to a sauce consistency. The sauce will also thicken as it cools down, so strain into a small jar and keep warm to serve, or you can refrigerate the sauce and reheat when needed.